In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates in Brevo. This process is designed to help you efficiently create polished and personalized email campaigns with ease. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step guide to mastering templates in Brevo. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Brevo's website. This is the starting point where all your email campaign creativity will come to life. Once you're on Brevo's homepage, you'll need to log into your account. If you're not already logged in, you will see an option to enter your credentials. Take a moment to ensure everything is typed correctly to avoid any access issues. If you happen to have forgotten your password, there's typically an option to recover it right on the login page. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the menu and navigate to the Campaigns section. Under Campaigns, you'll see an option for templates. Click on that and then select Email Templates. This path is your gateway to creating and managing email templates efficiently. Once you're in the Email Templates section, look for the New Template button. Clicking on this allows you to start from scratch with a blank template. Or, if you're in need of some inspiration, you can choose from a selection of pre-designed options available in the template gallery. These pre-designed templates are great for those times when you're short on time but still want a professional look. Next, you'll need to provide your template with an internal name, subject line, and preview text. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your email campaign. When filling in these fields, consider your audience and what will grab their attention. Remember that personalization can greatly enhance engagement, so using contact attributes, like inserting the recipient's name, can make your emails feel more targeted and personal. Now it's time to customize your template. Brevo offers two types of editors, the simple and the drag-and-drop editor. Choose the one that best fits your style and technical comfort level. The simple editor is straightforward and great for quick edits, while the drag-and-drop option provides a more interactive way to design your layout, allowing you to add elements like images, buttons, and text with ease. Take advantage of these features to ensure your email not only looks good, but is also easy to read and interact with. Once you're satisfied with your template's look and feel, the final step is to click Save and Activate to store all your changes. Doing this ensures your hard work is preserved and ready to be used whenever you launch your campaign. And there you have it, a complete guide to using templates in Brevo. By following these steps, you'll be able to create engaging and personalized email templates efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.